Leave me alone, I can't breathe at all. I don't wanna hurt you. What should I do? What would I've done to you? I didn't mean to do it. Now listen, hurry up, run away. Push me now, I'm gonna take your life away. It's time to play. Now get down your knees and cry, and now begging me, bitch. I enjoy your tears, I don't regret it. I've been hurt for so long, but that's what you deserve. Do you feel my pain? The second time I'm asking you, don't you feel sorry? The last time you killed me, I was laughing at you. Whatever you did made me become so numb. Make me become so numb. It reminds me of the devil waking up when I was higher. Don't remember who I am, I just remember what you did. It reminds me, it reminds me, it reminds me, it reminds me, it reminds me of the devil. Let me go. Let me go. Confused, I'm impatient. I messed it up, I'll fix it up. Shut up, that's enough. Another me is growing up. Hurry up, run away. Push me now, I'm gonna take your life away. It's time to pay back.